Jacob G Productions like nothing else on YouTube. Nope. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jacob G here, taking another look at a figure from the Hulkbuster Build-A-Figure wave. Sorry for that bit of an epic line fail, I guess. Anyways, so this is the third and final figure that I believe Eve uses, or reuses actually, the Bucky Cat mold. Which I have the other figures off camera as for something later on. And this is the Marvel's Blizzard. I guess that's not to confuse it with a Dairy Queen's Blizzard? Or, I don't know. Oh, marketing, yo. Oh, so we got Marvel in the front. On ages 4 or and up. Build-A-Figure Hulkbuster. Her Marvel Legends Imminent Series, Marvel's Blizzard, and the Hasbro logo. Oh, we got some pretty cool water Blizzard on both sides. Alright, we got him on his bio on the back. A common thug turned powerful villain in Donnie Gill. Donnie Gill paralyzes enemies with Arctic blasts. And also on the box, Arch's back, we got the Build-A-Figure and all the figures in the wave. Still trying to hit War Machine, Ian, Valkyrie, and Thundra. Hopefully I can get these two at some point or another. Bunch of other stuff I don't really care about reading, and not much on. And then there's a lot on the bottom, but not much on the top either. Alright, let's get to it and crack this thing open wide. Just so I could get it out of the way pretty quickly. I built the piece of the Build-A-Figure that came in with the figure off screen. Because I think last time when I tried putting the Build-A-Figure together, I don't think people really liked it. I don't know. Oh, either way, this is what the Build-A-Figure currently looks like. Because of the figures that I've gotten. Anyways, let's move on to the actual figure. And here's Blizzard out of the packaging. I swear at times I tried way too hard to sound similar to Optimus Prime. But anyway, other than my bad impressions of YouTubers, this figure, like I said before, again reuses the Bucky Cat mold. So if you want to see the articulation and for the figure, go back and look at my Doctor Strange and Vision review. But either way, I like this figure. Though I did notice something, and it's got that thing like I got with my Doctor Strange figure, to where the head is real, like its joint is really loose, so the head's kind of floppy. I like the paint deco and how the plastic changes and stuff. I love how some parts you have the marbling effect that we got on the Ironmonger Build-A-Figure wave, which I need to restart working on that wave because I accidentally plugged in a piece of the Ultimate Green Goblin Build-A-Figure into the torso piece. 100% my fault. But either way, about it, this figure is good. So, let's get to the comparisons. Now, I'm not going to split them up into multiple parts like I normally do, because I feel that just takes a lot longer to work on. So, let's start out with the biggest thing to compare it to. The Build-A-Figure. Hold on. Yeah, that's a thing that I have when I record. Or it is I have an iPad that I record with. I really didn't want to mention how I record stuff, but hey, happens. So for reviews and stuff, I normally use my iPad so I can use iMovie. But either way, yeah. So this is Blizzard compared to what the Build-A-Figure currently looks like. And now he's going to be compared to the other figures in this wave. I just need to get this one set up right. Sorry if he looks like he is dazed and confused. Sorry if the Iron Man looks like he's dazed and confused. I really didn't have time to pose him right. So yeah, there he is compared to Iron Man and Doctor. Come on, Doc, stand up. Doctor Strange. And finally, one of my other favorite figures from the wave, Vision. So yeah, like I said before, or Blizzard, Vision, and Doctor Strange, they all share the exact same body mold. And for all I know, Vision and Blizzard might even share the same head sculpt, which that'd be pretty hilarious. Yes, I think they share the same fist too, which is pretty interesting. But either way, hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, and sadly I'm not going to leave any pictures for you guys this time, because I really, really don't feel like posting anything right now. Oh, but hey, we're getting closer to the Build-A-Figure review. So I'll catch you guys on later. Peace. Peace.